Hey everybody, it's Ann from Craft Drawer, and today I want to talk about fast growing trees for the yard. Because whether you want to block an unsightly view, use it for a barrier for weather, or create a private outdoor living area, there are so many options to choose from. Fast growing trees are great for creating shade, privacy, or just adding a few trees to your front or backyard. Planting trees in your yard and garden. If you are a tree planter who wants to explore. A fast-growing tree is a tree that grows faster than the normal tree and would be likely to grow 2 to 3 feet a year. Take a look at these great fast-growing trees. Let's take a look at the variety of trees available for your outdoor space that are fast-growing. Fast-growing trees are trees that typically grow fast within 2 to 3 years. Top best fast-growing trees to grow in your yard. Let's get started with sugar maple trees. The sugar maple tree has outstanding fall colors and is beautiful all summer long. Sugar maples are a deciduous tree known for their brilliant fall colors and sap that is the primary source for maple syrup. Plant a row of them along your street, or just want to provide shade and fall interest in your front yard. If you want to learn more about the sugar maple trees, check out the link below and discover how to plant and care for the sugar maple tree. Next we have the green giant Arborvitae. The green giant Arborvitae, Thuja plicata green giant sometimes called western red cedar, has become one of the most desired landscape trees in the US, and for good reason. With a growth rate of 3 to 5 feet a year, this has one of the fastest growth rates of any Arborvitae available. You can discover more about the care, planting and growing of this tree below. The next fast-growing tree is the autumn blaze maple. This tree one of the fastest-growing maple trees, which is hardy and has a brilliant red color in the fall. Autumn blaze grows fast. As an improved cross between red maple, think color, and silver maple, think speed, this tree is the best of the best. It's one of the most popular varieties of maples in the United States. You can learn more about the autumn blaze maple below. Fast-growing trees for the yard also includes the following tree ideas. The corkscrew willow tree. The corkscrew willow tree is a small to medium-sized, upright spreading tree of about 30 feet in height with a 15-foot spread. This unique small tree has the most amazing twisting, turning branches. It can be used in many garden applications, including as a privacy screen or living fence. Find more information on the corkscrew willow tree through the links below, where you can learn about care, what zones to plant the tree in, and how to order these trees. The next fast-growing tree is the dawn redwood tree. The dawn redwood is a large, fast-growing tree. It makes a great shade tree and has a soft fern-like texture. This is a tree you can see from a far distance. It creates an immediately recognizable landmark. Really, this tree has an incredible sense of style, gravitas and mystique. This favorite fast-growing tree guide and information about the tree can be discovered through the links below. Another fast-growing tree is the Norway spruce. The Norway spruce, Picea bies, is a fast-growing evergreen conifer. It would look outstanding in a large front yard, or perhaps serve as a natural windbreak and privacy hedge along a property line. Perfect for use in cold weather zones, this superior choice evergreen makes an easy care accent in the landscape. Discover more about the Norway spruce below. You can find out what zones these trees are hardy in, how to plant them, and their growth rate by checking out the links below. If you have any questions about the trees, there is lots of information available, photos and videos, and where to purchase these trees and other plants online. You can watch more about videos and subscribe to Craft Drawer. Thank you for watching.